Maayong buntag, another Monday, another week, and one more week for the start of classes for most of the universities. Kumusta naman mo din ha? Are you excited for the first day of classes? I know many first years are very excited for the first day of classes, and I think you've been waiting for. I think today, nangumpra na mo, namalit na mo mga gamit sa class, and then you have to post it on your notes and so on. But I am also excited for you. I know this is going to be the final step if you're not going to proceed with your master's and doctorate degree. I'm so excited for for you guys, but I think this is also not excited. The feeling is also not excited for many because there are some that they will be taking this course because they don't have the options. There are multiple reasons why students actually choose their course. First is they choose their course because they loved it and that's what really they wanted. And of course, they are financially capable. Second, they choose this course because they don't have the choice. Financially incapable. No? Another one is mora gini siya pwede sa scholarship. Another one is mora gini available nga kaya sa akong parents. But ang uban din ha is nadala lang ko sa akong barkada because this is what they're taking and I don't want to be left alone. I know college life, it's going to be a different with the high school. It's gonna be serious, right? So kato din ha mga naglibog sa ilang course, you know what you're going to do? This first semester is your first sem to recognize or to feel the course. Is this really the course that I want to take? Mao ba gini akong gusto mahitabo when I'm when I will be working in the future, mo beginning a line of job that I'll be working on. So for those nga confused, take time to love the course, or if you really don't want the course, shift on the second semester because I have experience. Many students, pagka fourth year na or third year, diha na makathink that they have to shift because biyan sila, this is not really for me. And can you imagine the effort that you have spent for how many years in that course, especially this time nga dahang kay mga factors affecting us. So for this semester, for those who are upcoming first year, enjoy the first semester and then try to feel the course and try to, balance, try to think multiple times, is this really great for me? When I was in college, I chose IT and I don't know what that course was. So what I did is on the first semester, first year, I really have to solve those problems. And then nakasolve man ko pa sa problems, makasolve man ko, and then ako mga klase, mangutana naman ako. That's the time that I told myself nga, this is really for me. So choose your course rightly and enjoy your college life. Thank you so much.